Aloha, you guys. Maui no Kaoi. I'm here for my birthday and I'm staying at the AC by Marriott. Check out this room. It's really nice. It's got the beautiful, of course, Marriott beds, and then this is actually a pull-out sofa if you need something like that. And then the lanai is also very nice. This is considered an ocean view room. And beautiful pool. That's an infinity pool there. And the grounds are nice. It's really a lovely property. Let me show you the bathroom. Over here. Nice. And perfect for a couple of nights here on Maui. Aloha.